my dad challenged me with the challenge. Oh.
Can you break into Dad's toolboxes or fail it?
Do you think I can? Cause yeah, I'm weird. Wait. Can you subscribe if you think I can do that? Because yeah, there's just okay. So anyway, let's get started. He said there's 2 levels, so this is level 1. Obviously, it's plastic. So, the only thing that's in here is another latch, but I'm just going to simple as that. Open it. Ugh. All right, let's go to the next one.
Can you break into level 2?
Well, the next one, level 2 is not plastic. It's steel, and this one has a bolt as all this and stuff on it. So it's impossible to get in. I don't, or IDK where the map is. So let me just move. There's a bolt screw. Remember, subscribe or comment if you think I'll get in. Yes, I got in. This is great. And shut it really quick. Okay, that was actually to be continued. Eddie, where are you? Yeah, I won. Are you mad?